everyone. Hi. I think पहले title like you could keep like a title to the um live, but I can't do that anymore. Hopefully it's working and it's live. Hello everyone. Hi. It's been very long since I last did a live. बहुत time हो गया actually. I think the last time I did it, I took a lot of you guys live with me. I don't know if you want to do that today. Maybe. Let's see. But hey everyone. Hi. So hi. Hey guys. Thank you. Thanks Aditya. Hi Rohit. Hello. Hi the July gal. What's up everybody? Hi. So today is 19th April. Sorry, that's Loki just walking around. सोच रहा है मैं अपने आप से रैंडमली बातें क्यों कर रही हूँ. कोई नहीं है लोकी, कोई भी नहीं है. बैठ जा तू आराम से. कोई है ही नहीं. So a lot of you guys probably don't know I have a cat now. His name is Loki. I posted about him some days back. So he's just chilling. पहले यहाँ पर चिल कर रहा था मेरे पास, अब वहाँ चिल कर रहा है. But anyways, today is 19th of April and 8 years ago on the same date I posted my first cover, which is Tum Hi Ho, and that's when my entire journey of my entire journey began really. And yeah, it's the eighth year. मतलब holy shit, crazy, इतने साल हो गए. And we're celebrating our birthday together. This is Team Shirley Divas today. So yeah, I just thought that I should come live. And ये sunlight क्यों ऐसे hit कर रही है? It's quite, how do I, sorry guys, sometimes I feel like I'm technologically challenged, but I'm just trying to figure out how to sit. अभी भी आ रहा है sun. क्या करूँ? आ गया ना. Maybe if I come ahead, then it might not. Yeah, this is much better. Okay. Yeah, this is too burnt out. This is good. What about Naga Shaurya? So my film was still in the middle of shooting it. अभी तो हम नहीं कर रहे. बहुत दिनों से shoot हुआ नहीं है. But hopefully once this whole situation little calms down a little, then we'll get back on it. But for now I'm at home cooking, talking with you guys, creating content, spending time with looks. Yeah, just chilling. But मैं क्या बोल रही थी? हाँ, so it's been 8 years guys. Happy 8th birthday to you and to me. It's kind of crazy how 8 years ago I was still sitting on the floor making a video, and I'm still doing the same now. Some things don't change, but a lot has changed over the past 8 years. All of your support hasn't changed. In fact, it's gotten much better, if anything else. I was back home then. अब मैं यहाँ मुंबई में हूँ. I have I'm doing films now, which is kind of crazy. I never thought that I would, be able to do them, but I am in the middle of 2 films at the moment, Nikamma and also the Telugu film. Yeah, it's kind of surreal. Although for the past year and a half, it feels like everything thoda stop ho gaya ya pause ho gaya hai. But I think it's with everyone, and as long as we're safe and as long as our life is as long as we're alive, we can breathe, that can happen as and when it's meant to. It's more important to be safe right now, which is why I'm happy that I'm home. अगर आप भी घर पे रह सकते हैं, if you're able to keep yourself safe, please do that. It's most important. Maybe ऐसे कभी कभी लगता है कि शायद अगर हमारी immunity strong हुई भी, but what if we pass it on to somebody else? That's always there. So just be safe. Be home, create duets with me. And yeah. Am I wearing a sari in the Telugu film? I don't know yet. We have not completely finished shooting, so I'm not entirely sure. But let's see. I'll also find out as and when I'm supposed to find out. क्या करें? किसी को लूँ मैं live. Hi, hello, hi Jatin. Hello Amit. Hi Nishank. मुझे बहुत सारे आप लोगों के कमेंट्स दिख रहे हैं, बट काफ़ी सारे नहीं भी दिख रहे. So, oh, I can see. Requests. Let me check. Are these all requests, or are they? चलो मैं ऐसे क्लिक करती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे पता नहीं लग रहा कि एग्जैक्टली क्या मैं ऐसे ढूँढूँ. Oh, I can see questions to answer as well. But what are the questions? I can't read them. It's all white. Okay, someone says you're looking too pretty today. Thank you. Ayush, thanks a lot. So, can you guys see the question as well when I click on it? आप लोगों को भी दिखाई दे रहा है जब मैं क्लिक कर रही हूँ उस पर, या सिर्फ मुझे ही दिख रहा है? Sanjana, hi. Manipur, hopefully sometime. Honestly, अभी तो हम कहीं travel कर ही नहीं सकते. It's so bad the situation. So I'm just hoping and praying that everything becomes well soon. Feels like कितने time से same जगह पर stuck है. अच्छा, you guys can see. Great. So I can do this then. क्या हुआ लोकी? you so much. Lots of love right back at you. Mana Hill. I think I'll take somebody live with me. I wish the questions to me appeared like with a black background. कुछ दिखाई ही नहीं दे रहा है. After a very long time you come live. Yeah, I have. After very. The sun keeps chasing me. आगे आगे जा रही हूँ और sun देखो. Sundays with Shirley मैंने अभी shoot किया नहीं है. Hopefully Sunday को हो जाए कुछ. Let's see. Somebody says please ma'am. Please ma'am what? क्या करूँ मैं बताओ? नाइट मोड ऑन कर लो. उसको कैसे करते हैं? Wow, this is so cool. You guys are helping me out. How do I do that? फोन पर ऑन करूँ. Please help me out, guys. Ma'am, can you sing right now? Hi Prerna. Hello. अच्छा फोन पे नाइट मोड ऑन करना है. ओके लेट मी सी. ओके let's paused it. I don't know if this worked. हाँ अब हो रहा है. थैंक यू. सो मुझे एक्चुअली डार्क मोड ऑफ करना पड़ा. मेरा शायद ऑन था and I couldn't read in between. Now I can read them. Thank you so much. See, you guys do so much for me. Thank you. So Akhil says, can you say hey everyone your way? Wow, it's so popular. My hey everyone. Hi. I didn't think. Where do I stay? I stay in Mumbai. I'm good. Maitri, how are you? I hope I said your name correctly. Okay. Any food dish you made during lockdown? I've made so much and I'm still learning a lot. अभी recently मैंने राजमा बनाया जिसका वीडियो थोड़ा सा मैंने डाला था on my reels and it tasted so good. सारा ख़त्म हो गया अब तो. बहुत सारा राजमा था. Yeah, for a first attempt it tasted very very good. Hi Shabam. लोकी इधर ही बैठा है. दिखाती हूँ मैं. Oh my god. How am I feeling now in lockdown? I feel quite sad. I have to constantly try to keep myself happy, which is also one of the reasons why I'm doing this right now. But then I try and work out or I do steps, so then I have Loki throughout the day to spend the time with. Then I'll watch something, so I have to keep myself busy. But otherwise, yeah, just it's not a good feeling obviously, but I feel like I'm safe and I have a lot of things to be grateful for, and that's the most important thing. So yeah. Okay. Loki-san. Hey Loki. हेलो बोलेगा तो Instagram लाइव पे. हाँ आएगा? बता, बोल ही नहीं रहा, बता ना. I'll take you guys to him since he's probably gonna come to the camera today. He's not in the mood. Loki-san wants to chill. Loki-san. कहाँ देख रहा है? हेलो बोल दो सबको. हाय. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. ए लोकी, देखना इधर, देख तो सही. लोकी-सान, तो इतना प्यारा कैसे है? बता दे सबको. बताने का मूड है तेरा? नहीं है मूड? सोना है तुझे? ठीक है. ओ ही नोज हिंदी, वो हिंदी में ही बातें करता है ना लोकी? तुझे समझ आती है ना? अभी वो चिल कर रहा है इसीलिए बातें नहीं कर रहा. Yeah, he's adorable. Oh, look at that smile. Oh. Sometimes he loves being petted and everything, sometimes he just doesn't. कल पूरा अच्छा, see he's going back now. कहाँ जा रहा है लोकी? खा ले, फिनिश कर ले पूरा खाना. नहीं करना फिनिश? He's hiding again. He's like, हो गया बस. No more paparazzi, please. I don't like cameras. That's my cat. क्या हो बेबी? खाऊं कहाँ सोया हुआ है? ओके. क्या हुआ? ठीक है, मैं तुझे परेशान नहीं करूंगी. ओके, तू बैठा रह. आई वोंट ट्रबल यू, पक्का प्रॉमिस. I'm just gonna keep this on my stand again. Okay. Thor का भाई लोकी, या Thor अभी है नहीं. But let's see, you never know. Cats or dogs? Both, I think, but I love cats now. So I love cats even more. There are some stray cats below, and उनमें से एक जो cat है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारी है. उसका भी मैंने वीडियो डाला था some time back. Oh, she's also very loving. Loves to be petted. ऐसे जाके बैठ जाएगी वो. Very cute. लोकी के लिए कोई पार्टनर ले आओ. लोकी के लिए शायद थॉर ब्रदर है ना. लेट्स सी. What kind of hairstyle is this? I don't know. It's whatever it is, I'm just rocking it. जो है वही है. Same. So if I'm not in my PJs today, I don't have any like. I could use this as a PJ top. So मैं सोच रही थी, you know, 8 years ago PJs में बैठी थी. Maybe I should sit in pajamas again, but yeah, almost similar. हेला उसकी बहन. So नीचे जो कैट है, the stray cat, उसका नाम हेला रखा है. crazy, you guys. It's so crazy. We're actually doing a Marvel marathon these days. So every day we watch a Marvel film. Yesterday we watched Avengers Age of Ultron. I don't know आज कौन सी देखेंगे देखते हैं. So much fun. आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो इस नए लॉकडाउन में? हाउ आर यू गाइस स्पेंडिंग योर टाइम? माय फेवरेट कलर इज, I don't know, I think I like a lot of colors these days. I don't know, all colors. My tattoo means to create your own reality. Please याद रखो ये, मैंने इतनी बार बोल दिया अब. But it's okay, I don't mind. I like my tattoo. I was thinking of actually getting another one, but yeah, let's see whenever it's fine then. फेव में इतना सोचोगी क्या? किस चीज़? अच्छा, फेवरेट कलर. Yeah, because I don't have one. I used to really like black. I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ black. So मेरे almost कितने सारे कपड़े black ही होते हैं. कभी भी मैं बाहर जाऊँ, अब तो बाहर वैसे जाती हूँ, but if I'm online shopping or whatever, I'll just end up buying like black things. So now I'm purposely buying different colors, and then when I wear those different colors, I realize, oh, ये भी अच्छा ही लग रहा है. So, you know, when are you coming to Goa again? I don't know, but I hope soon. In fact, my mama just called me yesterday, Kev, from Goa. So let's see. What's your hand stress relieving band? ये it's a hair band. Hair band बोलते क्या बोलते हैं? Hair tie. It's just one of those spirally ones. So Loki plays with this also. खेलता था, अब बोर हो गया वो. He's 7.5 months, 8 months old now. It's been quite a long time. Actually ये थोड़ा secret था. मैंने बहुत टाइम से आप लोगों को बताया नहीं. But yeah, I have a lot of pictures and videos that I'll hopefully share as and whenever time comes of his. मेरा फ़ोन तो अब मेरा फ़ोन है ही नहीं, लोकी का फ़ोन है. I think whoever has a pet would know that. हर चीज़ लोकी के पॉटी से लेके लोकी के everything is full of, मेरे गैलरी में all of that is full. So there was this one time when I went for rehearsals some time back. I had met James and Ira, so I was trying to show them a picture of Loki, and had to scroll through so much of different random pictures of just his whatever around. So then I realized कि अब मेरा फ़ोन मेरा है ही नहीं. So I think I'll try and see if I can take somebody online with me. लोकी परेशान बिल्कुल नहीं करता. He's a sweetheart. मैं परेशान करती हूँ उसको most of the time. Yeah. He is so super sweet. Okay, let me see if I can take you guys live. मुझे अभी भी समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मैं okay. Should I take 8 people on the live today since we're celebrating 8 years? Hi. Oh, I can't hear you. Hello. आपको अपना माइक ऑन करना पड़ेगा. आप लोगों को सुनाई दे रही है उनकी आवाज? फ्रीज हो गया है. ओहो. many oh, internet problems probably. Okay, अब किसको लूँ? Hi, hello Devesh. किसे लूँ? प्रीत हरमन. Okay. Waiting. No? Yes? Maybe? क्या हो रहा है ये? Okay. Next person. Guys, if you're able to join, तो मुझे अपने requests send करो. It's like names आ रहे हैं और फिर जा रहे हैं. Okay, let's see if this one works. Check questions and answers. हाँ, मैं वो देख रही हूँ. But I'm also seeing requests जो मुझे. Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. What's your name? Ishika.
Ma'am, I cannot believe it's the first time I'm live with some singer.
आपका नाम इशिका है ना?
Ma'am, I'm from Hyderabad.
You're from Hyderabad. What's your name? Can you hear me? What's your name? Ishika?
Ishika.
Ishika. Nice to meet you. क्या कर रहे हो आप अभी घर पर? पढ़ाई?
Yeah. Everything is online.
Yeah, I know. It's good. No, you're keeping safe. That's most important.
Ma'am, I have a request for you.
बोलो, बताओ.
Ma'am, actually, my parents are not here, so they would love to see me live. So can you just post it on your IGTV?
Yeah, of course I will. 100%. You can see it later.
Actually, I wanted to come Mumbai, but as lockdown, I cannot come to Mumbai.
Yeah.
I really wish to come Mumbai once.
Hopefully sometime. You should. It's a very nice city. I love Hyderabad also.
Yeah.
मुझे Hyderabad भी बहुत पसंद है. I'm often there now because of the shoot. So hopefully once the lockdown gets better, तब अगर मेरा कोई show हुआ या something, you have to come.
And any
With your
new
parents.
song coming up of yours?
Sorry?
Any new song coming up of yours?
Yeah, very soon. I'm working on it right now as we speak. So very, very soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Oh.
Let's see. Okay. Thank you, Ashika. Take care.
Okay.
I'll post this later. Okay. फिर देख लेना आप तब.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Okay, चलो कुछ question and answers करते हैं. अच्छा, somebody says. Oh, इसमें से भी मैं live ले सकती हूँ. Hi, Bhumi. Let me see if I can take you live from here. Oh, how do I take you live from Q&As? I can't take you live from Q&As. शायद आपको मुझे रिक्वेस्ट ही भेजना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज मैं इसमें से तो नहीं ले पा रही हूँ आपको। अरे कैसे करूँ? अच्छा, unable to join. Never mind. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name? Tanuj.
Tanuj Gop
Tanuj, hi. Where are you from?
from Ranchi, झारखंड।
अच्छा, रांची से हो आप? सुपर। मैं आई डोंट थिंक
जी
मैं रांची कभी आई हूँ इवेंट के लिए,
नहीं
बट
नहीं,
होपफुली
कभी
कभी।
आए नहीं है।
नहीं, बट
आए
आना
होते तो
चाहूंगी जरूर।
पता रहता हमको,
हाँ, ऑफ
क्योंकि
कोर्स।
हम शो छोड़ते नहीं।
हाउ स्वीट, थैंक यू
बिग
तनुज।
फैन।
क्या कर रहे हो अभी आप?
अभी मैं पढ़ाई
अरे, व्हाट आर यू स्टडीइंग?
पीसीएस, स्टेट पीसीएस।
पीसीएस क्या होता है? फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री
नो नो,
है?
कंपटीशन एग्जाम है।
अच्छा, कंपटीशन एग्जाम होता है। ओह, मैं एक्चुअली यहाँ पर पढ़ी नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे यहाँ के टर्म्स पता नहीं लगते कि क्या क्या है यहाँ पे। हर हर एक अलग अलग उसका अलग अलग टर्म होता है,
जी
समझ नहीं आता।
सिविल सर्विस की तैयारी।
ओह सुपर, वाओ, दैट्स
सब
रियली
पता
रियली
चल।
कूल। हार्ड होती
और
है एग्जाम्स?
एग्जाम्स तो सारे हार्ड होते हैं,
सही है, पढ़ना तो पड़ता है, तो
पढ़ना
पढ़ो
पड़ता
आप।
है। लॉकडाउन हो चुके हैं तो पढ़ने के लिए टाइम भी मिल गया है।
हाँ, या दैट्स ट्रू, दैट्स वेरी ट्रू। चलो, लवली टॉकिंग टू यू तनुज। ऑल द बेस्ट विद योर स्टडीज,
थैंक थैंक यू।
एंड अच्छे से पढ़ना और पास भी हो जाना फिर। चलो, बाय।
बाय।
न्यूजीलैंड जाने की फ्लाइट अभी तो मैं बुक कर नहीं सकती, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अलाउड एनीमोर। They've shut the entries of people because वहाँ कोविड है नहीं, so they're trying to protect everyone जहाँ पर, मतलब वहाँ वहाँ के लोगों को, which makes sense for them. अब किसको करे? चलो, let's find somebody. Waiting for निकम्मा, I am too. मैं नहीं बता सकती आपको कब रिलीज होगा, बिकॉज मुझे भी नहीं पता है। With the lockdown and all, I have no idea. We were preparing for a little bit of our song shoot, but
Are you for
hi,
real? Oh my god, I can't believe it.
hi, what's up?
Hi.
Hi.
चलो सीता को जानती है. Hi ma'am, she is my roommate. I am in hostel. I am in medical college,
Oh
and
wow.
I am a fan since 2016. Like your first song, that Koi Shore. Oh my god, I
Oh,
can't believe.
thank you. That's so sweet. Wow.
You are so cute and real, ma'am.
Thank you. अभी मैं थोड़ी चबी चबी लग रही हूँ, but
And you are so cute. And
so
what
are you.
time?
So
Yeah.
are you. You have so much happiness. You give me all this happiness vibes. It's so nice.
I
Thank you.
just freaking can't believe, ma'am. And can please just post the IGTV?
Just call me Shirley. Don't call me ma'am.
Yes, I can call you D.
Yeah, call me Dee. That's also good.
You are my
so cute. I just can't believe that. I have just, when Maska was written, I was like, first I just have to download the Netflix and just go. That shirtless movie is it? I am gonna just watch it. आपकी movie है मतलब? Yes, चलो. It was just so cute. You were looking so perfect in that role.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it was quite fun to shoot it also.
And I also saw your BTS of Maska. It was like that role was made just for you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you. I think the director will be so happy to hear this. नीरज सर
Yes,
खुश हो
ma'am.
जाएंगे ये
You are.
सुनेंगे तो. Thank you.
And in the last scene, when you were both sitting in the scene where you and Preet sir, you both were sitting on that bench, and it was like so cute.
वो
And talking about
yeah. You know, we did that scene so many times because हमें चाय और बनमस्का को एकदम चाय को right time पे pour करना था, and just enough so that it didn't fall out. It didn't, मतलब you know, normal life में कैसे हम pour करते हैं, बाहर निकल जाती है, spill हो जाता है. You can't do all that in films.
And your dressing sense, it was so amazing.
It was fun.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm just like, when you posted that you are coming live, and I was like, oh, और आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
मैं ऐसे ही चिल कर रही हूँ, आप लोगों से बातें कर रही हूँ. आप बताओ, आप कहाँ पर हो? हॉस्टल में? Which city?
मैं जयपुर हूँ, and you have come Jaipur in like 2018. Your show was.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, I was like.
Again soon, but let's hope.
Yeah, I would have to love to come. Ma'am, can I show you to my friends?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just so nervous. I just can't believe it that I'm talking to Shannon.
Thank you.
I'm like so fangirly. I know I can understand it can be a bit awkward to you.
No, it's very cute. Thank you. I appreciate all this.
And
in fact,
your cat is so cute.
आज आप लोगों का birthday, आज Team Shirley का birthday, so this is the least.
Yeah, Team Shirley. And your cat is so cute, just like you.
Thank you. He's sleeping now. So गया.
Shirley सेठिया मेरे से live पे बात कर रही है.
Hi.
Guys, पता नहीं सब हो गया.
How cute. Chalo, thanks a lot.
Yeah. And when is your new song coming up?
Hopefully very soon. I'm working on it अभी. गाना तैयार है. Edit पे काम चल रहा है.
Any hint?
जैसे ही हो जाएगा बताऊंगी.
Any hint?
No. नहीं दे सकती. Hopefully soon. Wait करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा.
Oh, ma'am, you're looking so cute, by the way. Like messy hair and like bad died and so cute.
आप बहुत ज़्यादा sweet हो. Thanks a lot for joining in. अब मैं कुछ और लोगों से भी बातें करूँगी. But I'll save this.
Okay.
So you can watch this again and save the IGTV.
Can I have a follow back of you?
Sorry?
Can you please follow back?
आप Twitter पर हो?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं Twitter पे follow करूँगी. Message में tweet
Okay.
करो.
Thanks.
I'll follow you there.
Like, ma'am, it's my username is @lost direction.
Tweet at me now. I'll check it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. So sweet. नजर न लगे आपको.
Love you. Bye.
Thank you. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
How cute. Super cute. Breakfast. अबे evening time हो गया यार. Breakfast आजकल actually मैं खाती नहीं हूँ. I've been doing intermittent fasting, and yeah, so I eat like in between 12 and 2. Depends. Evening snacks. Let's see. Let's see. Dimple मेरे है ही नहीं. थोड़े. Okay, next person. Let's see. Thank you, Siddharth.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Geet, right?
Yeah. Sorry about my
Nice.
shabby look. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this actually.
No, it's okay. I look quite shabby also. Look at this hair. What is this hair? You have silkier hair than I have, so
Yeah, absolutely.
you agree also. Where are you from?
I belong to Faridabad.
अच्छा, you're from Faridabad. Nice.
Have you heard of it?
हाँ, मैं शायद एक बार आई हूँ.
Oh.
बहुत साल पहले. It's close by to Delhi, right?
Yeah. It's a part of the Delhi NCR.
Yeah, it's all like those three, Noida, etc. I've heard.
Well, really, I mean, the probability of me getting shortlisted or whatever accepting this video was quite low. I was like, okay, let's send a request and see if it works out.
But
So
nice
thanks for
to
accepting it.
be able to speak with you in person.
Of course.
Almost
The pleasure is all
virtual.
mine. How's everyone doing at home, by the way?
Back home in New Zealand, great.
Oh, well, where do you belong to?
Sorry,
Where do you belong?
I'm from New Zealand.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. वहाँ सब ठीक है. Everyone's doing well. How about in Faridabad? How are your family?
All well by
All
God's
good,
grace.
Touch wood.
Yeah, in touch wood.
Yeah, अभी
The
time
cases are
बहुत
like,
अच्छा है, so be safe.
yeah, I mean, cases बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे भी तो lockdown.
बहुत.
I mean, Delhi में just हुआ ही है, so they implemented a lockdown today for 6 days. And
Yeah.
we're like कि फरीदाबाद में भी ना हो जाए कि it's a part of NCR, right, touching the borders. And
Yeah, let's see. It's been affecting a lot of livelihoods for sure,
yeah,
but it's also required. I mean, it's probably one of the only ways to say अभी थोड़ा कम हो सकते cases, and I hope
Correct.
हो जाए, because I miss working also.
So right now are you in New Zealand or are you based out of Mumbai right now?
I'm in Mumbai.
Oh, the celebrity place, huh? Sitting there.
It's fine. I mean, अभी घर पर ही हूँ. घर पर ही time spend कर रही हूँ.
So what's the most, let me ask you this question. What's your, what do you call, favorite destination across the world that you want to travel, haven't been explored yet?
My favorite destination, I think, favorite times में would be Maldives.
Oh.
It's very close to India. 3.5 hours लगते हैं, 3.5, 4 hours.
And what's so special
And
about
so
it? Like what makes it so special?
Sorry?
What makes it so special that you've been dying to visit there?
So I've been already. I went last year. And it's very pretty. Very, very beautiful. I love the sound of water. I would say New Zealand, but New Zealand's a little far. हर बार जब मन करता है न्यूजीलैंड जाना तो जा नहीं सकते. बहुत टाइम लगता है पहुंचने के लिए. Almost a day goes just in travels. 20 hours, 21 hours.
Okay.
So compared to that, 3 hours, 3.5 hours.
Okay. Let's play a quick rapid fire. Maybe the audience over here might really also get to know more about you. Maybe just about your choices. I mean, it's just a basic thing. Like, let me give you some choices. Does
Okay.
it work? Cool. Okay. So tea or coffee?
Tea or coffee? Both.
Okay. Beaches or mountain?
Beaches.
Okay. Music or movie?
I don't know, man. I think I like both, but yeah, a little
Good
more
one.
beaches. Yeah.
Okay. Um, Music or movies? One thing, huh?
Ah, you're asking me all these questions. हर question का answer is like both, both, both. अब मैं कैसे बताऊँ?
Choose a favorite, na? That's what.
I can't. I like both. I
Oh.
can't choose. I love both. I mean, even after doing films, I realized I don't want to let go of music.
Mhm.
And likewise. So,
Correct. Okay. Very nice. And okay.
yeah.
What's your favorite color?
हो गया ये question already. चलो.
Acha, are you non-vegetarian? Are you non-vegetarian?
Sorry?
Are you non-vegetarian?
Yeah.
So
So far.
let me make you a hard choice: butter chicken or kadai paneer.
So a lot of my fans already know I don't like paneer,
Sorry, I didn't know that.
but it's okay. I've recently been contemplating कि मैं vegan बन जाऊँ, but वो change बहुत ज़्यादा difficult होने वाला है, I'm sure for me. But I'm gonna try.
Right. Very nice. But it was
Whenever
really
that
nice
happens,
talking
you
to you.
guys will know.
Yeah. Agreed.
Okay.
Cool.
Hello.
Thanks a
Nice
lot.
talking
Hey,
to
do you
you.
mind? Do you mind posing? Let's click a picture, no? Screenshot. It works? One
ले लो
second.
आप. वैसे मैं ये save भी करूँगी, तो आप तब भी screenshot ले
Yeah,
सकते हो.
sure. That works. But it was really nice talking to you. Bye. Stay
Yeah,
safe.
take care. You too. You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Q&A हो गया ये तो. Q&A within a live. Okay. Next. I think I'll do maybe one or two more. Let's see. The sun has gone down now. I've added underscore Shirley Setya underscore love. आ जाओ यार. It's okay if your hair is not done. My hair is also not done. Dummy dum dum. Hey, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Dhaval, please say my name. I think you meant name. You wrote babe. Typos. होता है. Keshav. Thank you, Keshav. Oh, unable to join. Hello. Seal. Hi, Priya. हाँ, अरे चले गए. ऐसे क्यों किया? Okay, let's see. Where is Bibs, Natsy? Oh. Hey! Hi, Abhi, what's up?
बहुत बढ़िया। आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ।
मुझे विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा कैसे कनेक्ट हो गया।
हो गया बस।
बस हो गया।
टीका लगाया ना आपने तो हो गया।
हाँ, मेरे फ्रेंड की मैरिज है आज।
ओह माय गॉड, कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
मेरे फ्रेंड की, मेरी
अच्छा,
नहीं।
मुझे लगा आपकी है। आई वाज
नहीं नहीं, फ्रेंड की।
मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ व्हाट। Congrats to him also.
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
Please stay safe.
कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
बस एकदम बढ़िया।
काफी
हाँ
काफी शोर शोर है।
हाँ, यहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ हो रही है ना, सब लोग।
Yeah, fair enough. Anyways, you have fun, but stay safe.
हाँ,
मास्क लगा के रखना।
जरूर जरूर जरूर। आप भी।
या हाँ, मैं तो घर पर ही हूँ, but yes, I will. अगर मैं बाहर निकली तो जरूर करूँगी। You also take care and have a great time. Congrats to your friend again. मेरी तरफ से भी congratulations बोलना उन्हें।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Bye.
बाय।
Bye. I legit thought that he said मेरी शादी हो रही है. I was like, what? Yeah, crazy. Where are my fan pages? You guys also have to send requests. फिर बाद में बोलते हो कि मैंने आपको लाइक दिया नहीं. ये तो सही बात नहीं है. I want to see you guys. अभी in person तो मुश्किल है, तो at least ऐसे ही, you know. अच्छा चलो देखते हैं. अगर मुझे कमेंट्स में किसी का कमेंट दिखा दो, I will. One word about. अच्छा wait, let me. कहाँ गया कमेंट? चला गया. कोई तो सुन लो. या एक्चुअली मेरा नाम ले लो एक बार. हाय लवान्या. लवान्या व्लॉग्स सेल्स क्योंकि तुम ही हो. या मेमोरीज क्योंकि तुम ही हो. अब तुम ही हो. जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो. चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो. My God, 8 years. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this live sesh. I had a great time, but मुझे अभी जाके रात के खाने की प्रिपरेशन करनी है. So I will go and do that now. But I had a really good time speaking to all of you, and hopefully मेरा अभी न्यू जब सॉन्ग आने वाला है, जो बहुत ही जल्द आने वाला है, वो आएगा तो मैं दोबारा से लाइव आऊँगी and we'll talk a lot about everything, about the song and a whole lot of that kind of stuff. But today was just about you, you guys, and our birthday together. It's been 8 years since आप लोगों ने मुझे support करना शुरू किया है, and I hope that ये जो हमारी journey है, ये जो हमारा सफर है, it keeps going on, and yeah, I'll keep trying my best to work hard and make you guys proud. But आप लोग please support करना छोड़िएगा मत. Keep loving the way you do. You always do. Thank you for that. And yeah. on that sweet note, I'll see you guys very soon. This is me, Shirley, signing off. You guys take care and keep smiling. मिलती हूँ आप लोगों से बहुत ही जल्द. Lots of love. Bye.